Hi, Paul.
Hello there, Dee.
Self-respect.
Self-respect, yes.
Yes.
Yes, well, that's going to be the title of our workshop on Thursday about recovering self-respect.
It is easy to lose, a lot easier than one may imagine that it would be.
Yes, well, it's an interesting concept because with self-respect, it's very much about how others appreciate us and view us, but ultimately, it's about how we feel with regards to ourselves.
Yes.
And if we doubt ourselves, if we have an opinion about ourselves, which is not
Judge ourselves.
judge ourselves, yes, all of those things, then it's going to affect quite a lot how we function in our world around us.
And definitely how we relate to other people based on the boundaries that we set. Because when we have a healthy sense of self-respect, we know our boundaries, we know our limitations, and we can be quite assertive in saying, I'm really sorry, but this is my boundary, and so forth and so on. But when we don't have that self-respect and we are not sure about our boundaries, or we're too flexible with them, that's when we get into trouble, don't we, Paul?
Yes, we can. And of course, our opinion and how we feel about ourselves are based very much about our beliefs inside of us. So we might believe, oh, I'm no good, I can't do that, I'm hopeless at this, or all of these kind of things. And, when they swim around inside of us, they're going to have a big impact.
Yes, I mean, sometimes these beliefs tell us, with maybe even subconsciously, give your power away. You should not have personal power, but give it, and the other person then has the upper hand in a way, and that's when we lose that sense of self-respect. Because even though we have these beliefs inside ourselves, we know that's not true. We all have a sense of integrity and dignity inside of us, and we should never be taken advantage of. And we definitely do have value, don't we, Paul?
Yes, we definitely do have value. And yes, these beliefs, they're fundamental really in self-respect. They can be things that other people tell us. They might tell us, oh, you're hopeless, you're no good. All these things that might come from somebody influential in your life, even when you're a child, or maybe even past lives. And yes, these can just get ingrained in us, so that we feel that, well, that's us, that's our identity, that's who we are. But of course they're not. They're just things that we've told ourselves, or that someone else has told us, that we've accepted. And so we've got to get to the root and sort those things out, because we need to find out who we truly are, not who we think we are, especially if who we think we are is something that limits us and prevents us from living our potential.
That's right. This really beautiful therapeutic workshop is due to be online on Zoom on Thursday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Daylight Saving Time, and for our UK friends, 8 a.m.
Yeah, it should be a good workshop, and yeah, you'd be very welcome to come along. So hopefully see you there.
It's it, 4th of February. Take care. Bye.
Take care.